And about 120 children from Jharkhand's Godda district allegedly trafficked to Kerala's orphanages in May this year are now back in Jharkhand and have been handed over to the district administration. But what does the future hold? Does it hold anything positive for these kids? And is this issue merely one of alleged trafficking? Alok Pandey reports.
Three days after these children, victims of alleged trafficking, boarded a train from Kerala, they finally alighted at Jharkhand's Jasidi Junction, but perhaps to an uncertain future. On Thursday, the Jharkhand government started handing over these children who were bound for Kerala orphanages to their parents or guardians at this school in Godda's Mahagama block. In Jharkhand's Godda district, the process of the identification and handing over to the parents of the 120 children brought here on Wednesday night from Kerala has begun. The procedure that's being followed is that individual names are being taken, their parents are being called, identification is being seen, and if the identification is found to be correct, then these parents are getting to take their children away back to their villages. But parents here say they have been sending their children all the way to Kerala for years in the hope of a better education. This parent, for instance, has 5 children. A marginal farmer, he can barely afford to feed so many mouths. So when a middleman approached him, he readily agreed to send 2 daughters, aged 6 and 8, in the hope that they would get 2 square meals and an education. The orphanages in Kerala offer a better standard of living. Aid comes in from the government and money also flows in from the Gulf. Middlemen approach poor tribal families like these in Jharkhand. When they deliver children to the orphanage, they get their cut. They also make money on travel expenses. Police sources say middlemen often underreport numbers to make extra money out of these children. One such group travelling to Kerala was caught in a railway police raid last month. Those middlemen are now under arrest in Kerala, but the question is, why has the Jharkhand government chosen to overlook this exodus of children?
इन लोगों के लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट तैयार हो रहा है जहां इन लोगों का व्यवस्था किया जाएगा कि नहीं इसको अच्छा से तालीम दे सकें 100% हम ट्रैफिकिंग इसको नहीं मान रहे हैं गार्जियन बहुत उसका माता पिता बहुत कमजोर है आर्थिक दृष्टिकोण से तो उसके इफेक्ट से भी ऐसा हाँ हम लोग उस पर गहन जांच कर रहे हैं
In the end, though, this incident raises many questions about whether governments are serious enough to stop the exodus of children like these from poor and impoverished areas like Godda in Jharkhand and many others. Also questions about whether these people really have any other options than to listen to middlemen and others who promise a better life for their children elsewhere. In Jharkhand's Godda district with camera person Habib Ali, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.